Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build influencer marketing campaigns with AspireIQ step by step clearly. Start by defining your campaign objectives. Identify your target audience and their preferences. Research and select the right influencers who align with your brand. Create a comprehensive brief outlining your campaign goals, timelines, and deliverables. Log into AspireIQ and navigate to the Influencer Discovery tool. Use filters to narrow down influencers based on niche, location, and audience demographics. Review potential influencer profiles to assess engagement metrics and past campaign performance. Shortlist influencers that resonate with your brand vision and goals. Reach out to your selected influencers directly through AspireIQ's platform. Personalize your outreach message to highlight why you chose them for your campaign. Once an influencer expresses interest, negotiate terms, compensation, and deliverables. Finalize the partnership agreement and ensure both parties understand the campaign requirements. Design an engaging campaign strategy that includes content guidelines and key messaging. Collaborate with your influencers on creative concepts and content production. Set up a timeline for content creation and posting to ensure a cohesive rollout. Monitor the progress of the campaign using AspireIQ's analytics dashboard. Track key performance indicators to assess the effectiveness of each influencer. Gather feedback and insights from influencers about their experience with your brand. Adjust your strategy if necessary, based on performance data and influencer input. After the campaign concludes, analyze overall results to understand what worked. Generate reports summarizing key metrics, such as reach, engagement, and ROI. Celebrate successful partnerships and maintain relationships with influencers for future collaborations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.